That's right, my brothers and sisters. It's time to rise up from the sea. Free yourself. Planet out for humans a billion to one. Humans don't stand a chance.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Did you know Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans a billion to one? Humans don't stand a chance. What have humans ever done for us except try to eradicate us from this planet? Humans, with their inflated life expectancy, greedily consuming all of our natural resources, exterminate them. Rise up, my brothers and sisters. Cast off those nets. Free yourselves from the traps of our human oppressors and make them feel the sting of our wrath.
Oh, milkshakes!
Fair enough. Maybe.
Ah.
Call the exterminators today and make your human problems go away. Humans are a pest. Call the exterminators today and make your human problems go away. to kill humans dead.
Oh, yeah, there they all are.
They're coming. They're coming.
They're coming! They're coming! They're coming! They're coming!
Oh, no.
Get out! Get
This is for the. Say it out loud.
Estaba viendo que estaba allá con la señora en el porque sentí que me sobó y ya estaba en mi cara.
How about you over there? You like to see a magic trick? Yeah? Peachy Keen. Well, you're a little too far away to see it. Come on, closer. Come on, little buddies.
Okay.
Come on, little buddies. Hop, hop, hop. Or I snap your little neck. Oh, I'm glad you got stuck. See, I was kidding. I don't know about her, but watch out. See, I'm a magician. Well, I'm a part-time magician. Hey, hey. See a lot of uneasy faces in the crowd. I'm not gonna hurt you. You're safe here. On that. Getting my word, Johnny. Alright, let's keep it. Ready? Ready? Actually, Johnny, one thought and nothing.
Hey, Johnny.
Alright, give him a round of applause, everyone. 15 seconds of fame. Alright, look at the balloon. Count to 3. I'm gonna say the magic word of the jar.
Abracadabra.
Yes. Done this before. Are you with me?
Hot.
Sometimes. Hard time. That makes sense. He's unpaid, I promise. Alright, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra.
Hey, Johnny. Didn't work. What's the matter? You don't like magic?
Man, must be the time delay.
Oh, it's okay. I got a trick for you. You want to see it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. How about if I gut you like a pig, huh? Strangle you with your own intestines. Make you disappear. Huh?
Abracadabra.
Johnny, is that your safe word?
It's actually so.
You don't need it, remember. You need my word.
That's
What's gonna hurt you?
oh,
Ta-da! Hey, since the magic trick thing, how about a quick picture?
yeah.
It's a good one to put your lap, okay? Come on up, Johnny. Give him a round of applause. It was great.